Shaky hands. Can't believe that worked! Breakfast sandwich! Hey! Oh.
Alright, we got our paper towels ready. The Hollandaise was supposed to be thicker. I didn't put in all the milk. Maybe if you cool it in the fridge. We gotta pick this baby up, man. Here we go. Double egg, corned beef hash, breakfast sandwich. Oh, that's good. Oh my God. I wanted the Hollandaise to be more like mayo. Maybe I should have stuck it in the fridge for a little bit. Oh, I can taste the hash. I hate eggs and ketchup, but I love corned beef hash and ketchup. If you ask me, corned beef hash and ketchup, just Google broadcast corned beef hash images. And you'll find some very old print ads with ketchup and corned beef hash. We gotta try it again, even though it is messy as can be. Now the problem is, the egg wants to slide off. Oh, it's all over my hands. Well, maybe I should put messy in the title. Wow, that's very tasty. That's a lot of work for a Sunday morning, man. Let's, can we pick it up again? Holy cow. Oh! Oh, Mommy! Mommy! How do you stop the egg sliding on the cheese? We put the cheese... Put the cheese on first. Put the cheese on the bread, then the ketchup, then the patty, then the egg. I want to, see, now it's thickening up. Now the Hollandaise is thickening up. And I am spilling it everywhere. Let's do it. Let's get our hands dirty. Thanks for joining me this Sunday morning. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Whoa! No! I can take the ketchup on that. It's mixed in with the Hollandaise. Feel free to make real Hollandaise. We're not out of here. One more bite. One more bite of this complete mess. Mmm. Mmm. Thanks for watching.